Hey, let's make a super cute hand bracelet. For this, I'll need a round thing to wind the wire around so that I can get the shape exactly right. So I have taken a tin can over here. Y'all can use anything that y'all have in a round bigger shape in this way. Once y'all know the size y'all require, now y'all can make a bigger one with lot of rounds, but I need just a simple one. So here I'm going to end it off. Now for a temporary fix, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a pearl, a bead at the start, and then seal it up with the help of hot glue. Now this is just going to be a temporary sealing of that pearl. We will be removing that off later. Once this portion is sealed up, now you can start forming the bracelet. So the fear is that the beads would have come out from the other side. So once you have sealed them, they would not come out. And now the only thing is to put the bracelet through the other side of the wire in this way. So we'll just double fast forward this and get it done real quick. Friends, you all can even use different multicolor beads and in between add charms to enhance the beauty of this bracelet, but I need something simple and elegant at the same time. That's why I have made it in this way. However, you all can use mixed beads, different variety of color of beads if it's for the kids. Now the end portion is here, and with the help of a nose plier I am just going to turn the end portion. So once you have turned it, you will press it together to lock it up, and then so that it does not hurt or it does not prick you or something, you will just add a bit of hot glue. Now remember the other side that I had mentioned about. I have removed the glue and one bead and twisted it in the same way and added hot glue like we did for the other portion. And now it's time to style our hand. So once you are done with sealing the ends with hot glue, it's time to use it. So there are various ways in which you can use this bracelet, this hand accessory. So you can use it like this, you can use it with a double side on top. So also if it's too long, you can add a ring portion and make it into a ring bracelet. And here if you want, you can even add a fixed one like this. Just twist the top portion in an S shape like this and lock it up, and there your bracelet is done. Do let me know in the comment section how did you all like this DIY, and will you all be giving it a try. And for those of you all who are new out here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.